Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I've got an old build unboxing of a 32 Ford green apparently. Now this one, I have to confess, I actually showed this one in another video when I built that Ford right there, the green one on top. The one underneath is a 65 Bonneville. But when I built that one, I'm in the middle of putting new shelves up to have my displays, my kits displayed. So I've got them all stacked up all over the place at the moment. But I had this kit in that video, and I never explained anything about it. So I'm going to do that today. This here was Little John Buttera, or Buttera, I don't know how to pronounce his name. But that's what this kit was. It was a 32 Ford hot rod, I guess, but I took some liberties with it and put a 426 Hemi in there. Everybody's always putting small block Chevys in these old Fords, so I thought I'd be a little different. This one was cool, removable top. I put some felt in there for blue carpet. It looks like the shifter arm got snapped off, and the steering wheel there in gold with blue carpet and a green body and a black seat. Nice. Let's see how it looks underneath. Not a whole lot going on under there. I got some exhaust pipes dumping out at the rear wheels. No other chassis or suspension or nothing in there. So that was definitely a work in progress. And then I have, let's see if I can tilt you down just a little bit. There you go. I have a bag of parts here. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it's almost like it's sealed. They've been in there that long. There we go. There's a distributor and the rear wheels, and then the front wheels. Kind of neat. Part of the suspension. Here's a rear axle. Looks like a Ford, which would be appropriate. Here's the rear bumper and tail lights and that. That's kind of cool looking. The other tire, and then just a few miscellaneous bits. Some what would be headlights, and a little spotlight. There's Lil J. That was original to the kit. Excuse me. And some horns and a couple of miscellaneous things, and I'm sure when the time comes I'll dig into my my parts bin up here and find some other goodies to put on there. Looked like it had a CB radio at the time, so this kit was probably built in the late 70s, because CBs were just huge back in the 70s. If you remember, if you're around back then, you remember the song Convoy, and then of course Smokey and the Bandit made it really popular, but I think that movie came out in 78. But this kit was built probably in 1977, I'll say right around there. So alrighty folks, again as always, I thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget, we're creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, and I got a giveaway that I announced it already in a previous video, but I'll keep on top of it and make sure as we get closer I'll start talking about it again. So alrighty folks, have yourselves a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.